as you can see here, bad image for Mamelodi Sundowns. I'm saying bad because Ronwen Williams is the leader of South African football, not just Mamelodi Sundowns. So he's one of the faces. In fact, he's the face of South African football. And then Lebo Mutiba, with his poor record, has no grounds to argue with Ronwen Williams in public. They can argue maybe inside the change room, not in public like this. Ronwen is asking him who is the quality or who's the quality in Africa. Ronwen Williams is the best keeper in Africa, the keeper that is playing in Africa, the best by far. His records, speaks volumes. His continental pedigree, qualifying for the FIFA World Cup, playing in all of these competitions. Whereas when you look at the record of Lebo Mutiba, the guy has scored only 45 goals in his entire career. Has played close to 200 games. That's not a good striker in terms of like the record, because as a striker, you have to score at least, a goal per game on average, or a goal in 2 games. But that's not the case with Lebo Mutiba, which puts him below pair in terms of the goals that are scored, as if you are the goals that you are expected to score as a good striker. So this argument is just embarrassing for him, to say the least, because you cannot argue with your senior players, not in public like this. With Ronwen Williams, so far this season, has played 10 games in the Betway Premiership for Mamelodi Sundowns, conceded 5 goals, 5 clean sheets, which is a good record, meaning that with Ronwen, you can expect a clean sheet in every 2 games, and that's not the case with Lebo Mutiba. I wanted to just to show a few records of the players that are arguing here, to show people that there's no reason, because with the pedigree, these players are not even the same at all. So if you want to argue with a senior player, you have to try maybe habamba yourself until the change room, because this is not a good image um for Mamelodi Sundowns football team as they conduct themselves professionally. But with that being said, these things happen everywhere. Emotions get over players because they're human. But it's very important to know how to behave in different settings, especially in public, because people are always taking videos, they're always taking clips. So one mistake, you are just trending all over the continent, which is what we are seeing here, um, for Mamelodi Sundowns, which is not good. I want to go back to Ronwen Williams, what he mean to South African football and what he has done overall. I mean, this guy has played at Betway Premiership, including SuperSport United. He has played over 352 matches, conceded around 300 goals. But guess what? He has 153 clean sheets in the Betway Premiership, meaning that he's one of the leaders in terms of the clean sheets. Possibly the best, possibly the best goalkeeper on the continent in terms of like the clean sheets and other stuff. Possibly, I'm not saying 100%. And then for Mamelodi Sundowns, CAF Champions League has 16 clean sheets overall. MTN 8, 13 clean sheets. Carling Knockout, 10 clean sheets in 19 games. Nedbank Cup, 9 clean sheets in 25 games. CAF Confederations Cup, was playing with SuperSport. He played 9 times, 6 clean sheets. Africa Football League, took, what is it? He played 6 games, and then he conceded 2 goals, 5 clean sheets. World Cup, 3 games, 4 goals conceded, 2 clean sheets. With South Africa, he has played more than 55 games, or let's just say 55 games for South Africa. I mean, this guy, what he has contributed to football is impeccable. 23 clean sheets for South Africa. playing 55 games. Man, that's huge. So he deserves his respect for what he has done for our football, for our great nation, and for Mamelodi Sundowns, for SuperSport United. I remember at some time, it's at some point at this while he was at yeah, SuperSport. I think it was SuperSport, went the whole season without being substituted or being left out of the starting 11 because he was one of the most trusted goalkeepers to ever play for SuperSport United. Then he joined Mamelodi Sundowns. With Mutiba, I'm not saying, by the way, I'm not saying Mutiba is a bad player, but he's not a great striker. So, I mean, you look at those things and then you try and differentiate and and I ask myself, Uguti, man, there is no way Mutiba has a say, especially in public. In public, you can argue with your senior players maybe behind closed doors, but not in public like this. Come on, man. He has played in France before coming back to South Africa. Played for what is it? 5 teams in France overall. Yes. Uh, for I think in a League 1 in France, League 1 in France. He played 118 games, 26 goals, and in League 2, 29 games, 10 goals. And then the third division, I think, of France, played 10 matches, 5 goals. Well, isn't the record is not that terrible, but it's not the good record in terms of being a striker, being a respected striker. Yeah, but obviously we know what happened with him and the injuries. He didn't have a club for some time until Mamelodi Sundowns gave him an opportunity to train with them, and then they reward him with a contract. I remember the coach of Mamelodi Sundowns, Mikel Cardoso, saying it's just him being rewarded for being a good boy, things like that. So it was not based on being one of the best strikers or deserving to play for Mamelodi Sundowns. He trained for a very long time. I remember even Miguel Cardoso promising that he's gonna get his chance to play for Mamelodi Sundowns, but yeah, it took a very long time for him to play, but eventually he did play for Sundowns. Contribution, he scored the World Cup, but it's not it's not looking convincing, to be fair. It's not looking convincing at all every time he plays. But yeah, we don't want to see things like this. Thank you for it.